Dear students, greetings of the day. We hope you are staying home and are safe. For the meantime, till the schools are not open, we will study through videos. Today's chapter is resources for 8th class. Definition of resources. Any substance which has any value to the human being can be defined as a resource. For example, water, electricity, rickshaw, vegetable, textbook, mobiles, etc. Utility of resources is the basis which defines that a substance is a resource. If we are using particular substance or object, then it becomes a resource to us. Utility here means its usability, like water, electricity, rickshaw, vegetable, textbook, mobiles are usable for us and it has a utility, therefore they are the resources. Value means worth. Some resources has economic value, some resources does not have economic value. For example, grandmother's home remedy does not have commercial value today, but once it is patented by the medical firm, then it has economical value. Two important factors for changing substance into resources are time and technology. Human beings are themselves resource. It is their ideas, knowledge, inventions and discoveries led to the creation of the more resources. There are three types of resources. First, natural resources. Second, human resources. Third, human-made resources. Natural resources can be defined as those resources which are drawn from the nature and is used without much modification. For example, air, water, soil, minerals, etc. Natural resources are classified on the basis of development, that is actual resources and potential resources. Actual resources are those resources whose quantity is known to us. These resources are being used in the present time. For example, petroleum resources in the West Asia, black soil in the Deccan Plateau. Potential resources are those resources whose entire quantity are unknown to us. These are not being used in the present time. These could be used in the future time. The level of advanced technology is not there to utilize these resources. For example, Ladakh possesses uranium, potential resource, but due to the lack of advanced technology, it cannot be used at present time, but can be used in the future time. Natural resources are classified on the basis of origin. Abiotic resources are those resources which are non-living resources. For example, soils, rocks and minerals. Abiotic resources are those resources which are living resources. For example, plants and animals. Natural resources are classified on the basis of stock. Renewable resources and non-renewable resources. Renewable resources are those resources which can be renewed or replenished quickly and not affected by human activities. For example, solar and wind energy. Non-renewable resources are those resources which are exhausted. It may take thousands of years to be renewed or replenished. For example, coal, petroleum and natural gas. Natural resources are classified on the basis of distribution. Ubiquitous resources or local resources. Ubiquitous resources are those resources which are found everywhere. For example, air we breathe. Local resources are those resources which are found only in the certain places. For example, copper and iron ore found in the particular area. Human-made resources. When form of natural resources are changed by human beings, then we call it as an human-made resources. For example, iron ore was not a resource until people learned to extract iron from it. People uses natural resources to make buildings, roads, bridges and vehicles, etc. Human resources. When people uses knowledge, skills and technology to make best use of natural resources. Education and health makes people valuable resources. Human resources Development is the only possible by improving the quality of people's skills. Resource conservation can be done by using resources carefully and by giving time for getting it renewed. Sustainable development is the balance what we need to do and sustaining resources for the future generation. In this chapter, we have learned about the natural resources, the types of natural resources. We have natural resources, we have human-made resources, and we have human resources. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you have learned about them. Keep on track for the coming videos. We'll learn more about the physical geography. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you.